Hello and welcome. So we are back on Biscuit, Business Kit, and today we'll be looking at reports. Yes, I think that's the most important thing. As the manager of the company, as the owner of the company, this I think interested them most. I mean, they want to see the cash flow, how the money goes out and comes in over a month or over the years. Yes. So we have some menu here. You can see your report statistics, just a little bit of chart, dashboard. We have income statement, we have balance sheet, we have cash flow, and we have fiscal year process. Yes. So I've tried to open some tabs here, so it won't take much of our time. So let's get started. So this is our report statistics page, little dashboard. This shows all my income accounts, and this actually they call it a Pareto diagram. It says 20% of the courses brings 80% of the result. And as you can see, this is a very good intuition here because it's telling me that even if I don't use this, if I'm not using this kind of income again, I can still make like 96% of the result. So this is somehow, though it still give me some money, but somehow irrelevant compared to this and this. I mean, this and this alone has given me almost 88%. So if I had this, I already have 96%. So this one seems to, that's Pareto diagram. Oh, don't mind me, please. So this showing me this is another pie chart. It's actually the most interesting when you're talking about finance. If you go to your browser and you just type finance chart, this all that you see, this kind of a chart. So you can view your chart for these four income accounts, sorry. And then you have your annualized income and versus expenses. As you can see, in 2017 I have income of 10,000 and I have expense of zero. In 2018 I have much of expense than the income that I have. This is my expense, this is my income. And 2000 and this year actually I've made like 271,000 income and I have a little expense. This just give you a brief overview of what is going on. And you can export it. You can say, okay, you want as a PNG, JPEG, or you can put it on CSV, Excel. You can print it if you want. The same thing happens for the remaining. You can do the same thing here. And this one you can zoom it actually. So that's our dashboard. Yes. So this is the income statement. This show you your income statement, your total revenue, gross profit, and then to show your net profit. You can filter. You can filter by range, set the date and the end date. You can just select a date and it will take it for you from the beginning. You can update the report. You can print. So that's all. So don't forget we have the balance sheet and cash flow. So to save our time, I will just because the balance sheet and cash flow actually has the kind of format. So it's more or less the same thing. Though they gave different information. Yes. And the fiscal year process. Yes. So you can actually see your income from here, cash flow before you actually process your fiscal year. And then you can say, okay, I want to process my fiscal year. And then it will give you, try to complete all your balances. And then you can pick on show account and try to do some kind of amendment that you want to do. And as you can see, there's a warning here. It says, if today is not your fiscal year ending, you cannot proceed with the process of the fiscal year. Yes. Make sure all your accrued revenue and that of income are taken care of. Make sure every other transaction belonging to this year are completed. Process fiscal year cannot be reversed. Yes. So you can say, okay, I want to process, and then you could continue. So this one is not going to go. Don't mind. Because I didn't actually set my fiscal year ending. Yes, not bad. So thank you. That'll be all for today, and I will see you next time. Thank you.